here's how you can find YouTube Shorts on your computer or on a PC after uploading through the iPhone. So let me guide you through the whole process. If it's your first time being here, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and similar guides like this one. Okay, so whenever you go to your iPhone's like YouTube app, you go to the plus section and you have the ability to click on the short, right? So you can upload shorts or, record them if you wouldn't want to. And those that you upload and successfully go through the upload process, just make sure you don't just save it as a draft, but like you actually make it public on the platform. Well, those can be found in your channel when you go to your account or your profile, and you can switch between the home, videos, and shorts, right? And on the laptop, or on Windows or Mac computers, it should appear as well, as long as you are officially made the video public, as I said. But you should most definitely find it. It should also be separated into these different sections where you can see the videos, which are regular, and the shorts as well. And of course, the one that we are looking for is the short one. So that is how you can essentially just find it on the desktop. If there's some kind of issue with it, perhaps give it a time, give it a second for everything to be processed properly. Or if you really cannot find it, just try to look it up specifically by the name of the video. And also you can use the filtering section to filter the shorts only. But I believe that you should most definitely be able to find it as long as everything goes through with the upload. But yeah, that would be all from me. I really hope I could help you out. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.